Proper track tension is important on a dozer. It's a little like tire pressure on a loader or a truck. If the tension's right, the machine will perform well. If the tension's off, it could hurt performance and can also accelerate wear. So how do you know if the tension's right? Well, first, take the slack out of the track by standing on the track between the front idler and the forward top roller. Now, this can be a bit of a challenge on big machines. Then lay a straight edge, something like a metal bar or a straight 2x4 or a long level between that top idler and the front idler. Then measure the distance from the bottom of your straight edge to the top of the lowest grouser. Every machine's operator's manual will tell you what distance this should be. Now, if the distance is too much, there's too much slack, and you should use a grease gun to hydraulically move the front idler out, tightening the track. A track that's too loose will cause bounce and vibration, which can affect your dozer's performance, especially when grading. A loose track can also create back bending, which will cause accelerated pin and bushing wear. If the track's too tight, there will be too much tension on the pins and bushings, and that will also accelerate wear. Now, if the track needs to be loosened, leave that job to a qualified technician. The grease that's holding the idler out will be under a tremendous amount of pressure and should be handled very carefully. So pay attention to your tracks and keep them properly adjusted for optimal performance and wear.